Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to turn off user account control in Windows 10. So if you want to do it, you need to click right mouse button on icon with a start, and then you need to go to run. Here you need to type control from your keyboard and you need to click OK. Now we need to go to System and Security Settings, and here you need to go to Security and Maintains. Now from the left panel you need to go to Change User Account Control Settings, and here you can choose when to be notified about changes to your computer. The first option will let you to be always notified when application try to install software or make changes to your computer, or if changes are being made to Windows settings. The second option is notify me only when application try to make changes to my computer. Third option is notify me only when application try to make changes to my computer, do not dim my desktop. And the last one option is never notify me when application try to install software or make changes to my computer, or when I make changes to Windows settings. So if you will select this one option, you will turn off user account control notifications. So now I click OK button to save changes, and now everything has been successfully implemented. So it's all for today. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to check links in description.